merge master or random consolidation maps and merges data from scattered cell locations and create a structured master file in minutes. Ideal for bank statements, employee records, or client reports. In this scenario, let's say there are Excel files from multiple clients or branches with the same template, but different layouts. Merge master reads each mapped cell and consolidates it into one clean sheet, even if files are not aligned. Let's consider 10 bank statements as input files. Our bot will locate and extract values from the right cells. Here's an example. Headers appear in different places, but once mapped, the bot finds them and consolidates the data seamlessly. Let's log in securely to the Ambot 365 platform. Once logged in, select Merge Master Bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. It opens each file, navigates to the correct sheet, identifies the mapped cells, and extracts the required values. Within seconds, one can track what's processed, view real-time status, and see how each file is handled in the summary sheet. The final output is saved automatically to the target folder, version controlled and ready to use. This is the final result, a consolidated and structured table ready for use. The bot has merged 10 files in under a minute. Save 90% of your effort without manual copy-paste. Just intelligent cell-based automation that delivers.